What up guys, Digital Slang, welcome back. Today we're talking the BlackPods 3. We all know about the 2s. They've been out for a while, a lot of shipping delays, a lot of shipping problems, a lot of people, including myself, that they have stopped working. I'm hoping these are a little bit better. There's tons of matte black clones out there now at this point, and I've reviewed a lot of them, and they're decent, they're not bad, you get what you pay for. These start at 60 bucks, $59.99 or $59.95, whatever it is. So I'm hoping these are a little better than the ones that we've tested. BlackPods 2 for me stopped working after about a week or two, so I can't even use them anymore. So BlackPods 3, let's check them out right off the bat. You can just take a look at the packaging. This is the packaging for the BlackPods 2, and if we compare it to the 3, there is a huge difference. They're not trying to copy the AirPods one-to-one as far as packaging, size of packaging, and things like that. They're branding this as their own product. BlackPods 3, you got the clear window on the front, a plastic case. Mine did get a little beat up in shipping. You can see inside the clear case that the pods are right there. Nothing on the side on the front, but on the sides here, BlackPods 3 fully wireless, 5-touch commands, high quality audio, Bluetooth 5.0, and these do come with a 1-year warranty. Inside of here, there will be a card for the warranty, so hold on to that card. On the other side, we have BlackPods 3 fully wireless, wireless charging. These do support wireless charging. And again, I don't think this is going to be any different than the other ones we've talked about. Don't use anything more than 5 watts or you're going to destroy these. Dual mics for the mic, and we will do a mic test to compare it to the real AirPods to check it out to see if it's any good. It does say 12 hours of battery life on here. Just be aware it's really about 3 hours, and if you want to use one at a time, you can get about 6 hours, 3 on each, 2.5 to 3 hours. But if you charge the case up, you'll get about 3 or 4 times of use with each pod. So it's not bad, it's decent. Instant connection, we should get the pop-up window just like all the rest. So let's jump right in, we'll unbox this thing, we'll check it out, we'll put it through all the tests, and we'll see if they're worth the $59.99 price tag. Now, when we take a look inside of the case, there are a few other things that we get for our money, which is a good thing. We want the best bang for our buck. And the BlackPods 3, they offer a little bit more than your usual clone experience, your usual AirPod experience. Inside of here, we're gonna get a wireless charger with a micro USB cord for the wireless charger, so you can just charge these right away. You're gonna get the lightning connector. You're also gonna get some ear hooks, some ear wings, and a neck band, so you can wear these so the fit can be more secure if you need that. Let's get in, take a look. Inside of here, we do have the pods here, but let's take a look at what else is in the box. Now this right here is your wireless charging case, and it's actually very nice. You have your micro USB connection right there. On the back, you have these 4 little spots, so it doesn't slide on the table too easily. But this is your wireless charger, and I dig that. Wireless chargers usually run for about 10, 15 bucks, and that's just for, you know, one that's not that good. You want a really good one, it's about 24, 25 bucks. So the fact that they include this in the package is a good thing and a good start for the BlackPods version 3. Now also in the box, again, we get the neck strap, we get the wing hooks and the wing tips, and I think that's pretty cool. I dig it. The more money I spend, I would like to get more things. So they are supplying us with that. And again, you got your lightning connector and your micro USB for charging your pods and charging your wireless connection. We also have the instructions, and of course they tell you how to hook them up. And you also have your retain this card. This is your warranty card. You must present this card with any defected item to be eligible for a guarantee, and it's a 1-year warranty. Again, guys, that's a good thing. We're paying a little more for these, but we're getting more back, and that's always a good thing for us. We want the best bang for our buck. So let's take a look at the matte black version of the BlackPods 3. Now again, these are a clone of the AirPods 2. So you have your LED light on the front, your lightning connector on the bottom, your button on the back, your hinge right here. There is no text, however, on the back, and I don't mind that. It's not like you're gonna really see it on matte black or any other color besides white. If we open them up, there's your light. Doesn't have the hinge that stays open, so no magnetic hinge. So these are the BlackPods 3, and I dig the matte black. I always have. I think it looks amazing, and I just really want Apple to come out. The AirPods Pro were just released. I'll have a video on that in a few days. Sadly, again, no black version from Apple. So the clone market, guys, it's going to keep going. It's going to keep going, and we're going to get more and more as time goes on, and we're going to get better and better products as time goes on. So get excited for that, because there are better things to come. So weight-wise, you can tell they are a little lighter than the real ones, but let's connect it. Now I'm running iOS 13.2 on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let's see how easy they connect. They pop right up, hold the button on the back, connecting. So we are connected. It does say BlackPods 3 on there. This is supposed to be a real battery percentage. Can we go in and remap anything? Probably not, but we're going to check it out. BlackPods 3 in your Bluetooth. And no way to remap anything. It's always disappointing. One day I hope we get that. So let's start all of the tests, and we'll see how these compare, see if they're worth the price. Play some music. So sound-wise, they're okay. They're not the best. They're not the loudest that I've tested. The Nokis that we tested the other day were by far the loudest. The glossy black i500s are louder than these, and the real AirPods are louder. These are just like all of the other matte black ones we've tested. They sound decent. They're okay. Clarity is there. It's very clear. You're not going to hear a lot of bass. This type of bud is not built for that. The real AirPods aren't built to support a lot of bass. It just doesn't work like that. But they are clear. So it is what it is, right? It's kind of what I expected on these. I believe if you have the BlackPods 2, it's kind of the same thing. And the 200, the TWSCI 200, it's kind of the same sound coming from these. So let's just jump right in. We'll do all of the other tests. We'll play some more music. We'll try in-ear detection. Try the right bud first. Pauses. Plays. Left bud, pauses. Plays. Try one more time. Pauses. Plays. In-ear detection works, and it actually works very well. It's instant. As soon as I put it in, it stops. As soon as I take it out, it goes. So I don't mind that. It's pretty good. Now we'll try touch controls. Touch controls. Now if you get a phone call, either bud, 2 taps on either side will answer or end a phone call. If you're not getting a phone call, 2 taps should pause or play on either bud. 3 taps should skip to the next track on the right side, and on the left side should go back to the previous track. If we want to activate the voice assistant, we touch and hold for about 2 seconds. So we're going to try that all really quick. Playing music, 2 taps. Pauses, 2 taps again. Plays, left side. 2 taps, pauses. Plays. So 2 taps either side, pauses and plays. Now let's try 3 taps. We'll play some more music. 3 taps right side should go to the next track. Check out the phone up here. Goes to the next track. We'll try one more time. Skips to the next track. Now we will try the left side, and it should go back to the previous tracks. Went back. Went back. So touch controls do work very well. 2 taps, plays and pauses. 3 taps on the right side, goes to the next track, and on the left goes to the previous track. Now we will try and activate Siri. Should be about a 2-second touch and hold. It beeps, you let go. What time is it, Siri? So touch controls work very well. Now you can't lower and raise the volume on the touch controls, but we can have the voice assistant do it for us. So if I put the volume and I turn the volume all the way up and I ask the voice assistant to lower the volume, right now you can see that little dot is at the end. If I ask Siri to lower the volume, she will turn it down, and it'll go in little sections, just little sections, but we'll try it anyway. Lower the volume. She said she turned it down. It starts playing again, and you could see the dot isn't all the way at the top. So you can adjust the volume with your voice assistant. Next test, we're gonna try one at a time. So I'll play some music. We'll take one pod out, we'll throw it in the case and see if we can use one at a time. Music is playing. Still playing in my left ear. Now we'll switch them. Playing in my right. So test. Let's jump in. We'll do a mic test. We'll do a mic test with these, and then we'll compare it to the real AirPods. What up, guys? Digital Slang. This is the mic test for the BlackPods version 3 with the wireless charger and all the other little gifts they give us. Is it worth the money? Let me know how the mic sounds. Now we're going to do a mic test with the real AirPods, and you guys can hear the difference. What up, guys? Digital Slang. This is the mic test for the real AirPods, comparing these to BlackPods 3s. Let me know how they sound. I'm sure they sound a little better, but we still got to do the test. So let's talk about the good. I'm running iOS 13 on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and they do connect just fine with the pop-up window. They do include a wireless charger as well as a neckband and some ear wings. So you do get a little more bang for your buck when you're purchasing the BlackPods 3. Sound-wise, clarity-wise, they are very clear. They are not as loud as Nokis. They are not as loud as the real AirPods, and they are not as loud as the glossy black i500s. Now, I did a mic test. I just heard the mic test, actually, and AirPods are definitely better. I did hear kind of a hum in the mic test when I was listening to it, so you guys tell me if you can hear it in the video. Next test, let's jump right in. We will try the latency. We will see if there is a delay between the audio and video. Let's pull up a video on YouTube now. Most of these clones, just about every clone I've tested, except for the Nokis, had some sort of slight delay. The Nokis didn't have any delay. Let's test it out on the BlackPods 3, see if there's any delay. We'll put on, this is YouTube, so let's play video. No delay, that's a good thing. I'm actually a little surprised by that. I was expecting some sort of delay. Let's try another video. No delay whatsoever, so that's a good thing. I was not expecting that, and I'm pleasantly surprised by that. You cannot go in and remap anything. I am hopeful for that one day. It does say BlackPods 3 on the pop-up window, which is kind of cool to have. It's just a gimmick, but it's kind of cool to still have. So BlackPods 3, guys, what do you think? There are some good things. Are they worth 60 bucks? You have to decide for yourself. For me, they're probably not. I might spend 40, 45 max on these. These are no different to me than the TWS, the 200s, or the 500s. They are matte black. They are dope. We do get some extra accessories. We do get a charging pad. And if that's worth 20 bucks to you, then $60 might be worth it. But sound-wise, they're just decent. They're no different than the 200s or 500s we tested in matte black. They're not as loud as the real AirPods or the Nokis or the glossy black i500s, but they do the job. They sound clear. Mic-wise, you guys let me know what you think of the mic. I'm sure just by testing it already, and from the little bit I heard when I tested it, I don't think the mic sounded as good as the real AirPods. I did kind of hear a little hum in the background. Let me know if you guys hear that as well. Touch controls work very well. In-ear detection works very well. So there are some good things about the BlackPods 3s. You know, they're not terrible. It's just 60 bucks. Is it worth it to you? Let me know what you guys think. We'll be back with more videos soon. BlackPods 3, check them out, guys. I'll leave the link below. Stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate the love. We'll be back soon. Peace.